Christmas.
Hello everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. It's a beautiful winter night and we're going to be making roasted chestnuts. I know it's a simple thing, but you just gotta get them right. There's a couple tips that I've tried through the years and I want to share them with you. It's that simple. I like to buy my chestnuts that come from Italy. Especially being that I'm from Napoli, the Campania region, and we have Benevento and Avellino, which are the largest growers of chestnuts in the world, I think. So let's get started on making these chestnuts. First thing I'm going to do is give them a quick rinse. So let's get them in water and rinsed. And this is what we do. The next thing you want to do is come closer and take a look. Is we're going to create a cross on top. So a slit going this way. Be very careful. Use a sharp knife. First one way and then across. Forming a cross. A cross meaning C-R-O-S-S. Across and then across. Okay, so having done that, I'm gonna move it over to a baking tray that's got water. So let me get them all cut up and then I'll meet you back. There's some submerged in water and I am going to just add some white wine. Okay, I'm not gonna measure. Can you put a little less, a little more? I think I put about half a cup. Now, while these sit, come outside, I want to show you the snow. Take a look at this beautiful snow. It looks like winter wonderland. Oh boy, it was cold outside. Okay, an hour has passed. Now, half of the chestnuts we're gonna roast them in the oven. I have my oven on 400, and the other half I'm gonna show you in the frying pan. There's a special frying pan with the holes, and this is what we use. You could get it online. By the way, you could also get a chestnut cutter right online that's got the cross shaped. You just squeeze it and it happens. I do it the old-fashioned way because I buy all these gadgets and then when I need them, I can't remember where they are, and I end up using a knife. So maybe you could connect with what I'm saying. All right, so let's get half of them right over here and the other half in the oven. Now if you do not have a gas oven with an open flame, you could only do these in the oven. You cannot do it over the stove. Of course, I'm going to remove the water before putting them in the oven. Take a look at the flame. It's nice and low. I'm going to put the chestnuts on and just watch them. Don't walk away. No, I mean, you can still be in the kitchen, but don't leave them cooking and go do something else, okay? Oven on 400, let's get them in the oven. The reason why you gotta make a slit on them, because if you don't, the chestnut, when you cook it, will burst. Also, a little piece of information that I also learned is that along the east coast of the United States, it was filled with chestnut orchards. The chestnut wood is such a hard wood that it was used to make log cabins, but unfortunately there was a fungus that killed them from the north to the south or vice versa, and that's how we lost all our chestnut trees. Okay, every once in a while give it a good shake so they cook all around. 20 minutes passed, they look ready. Let me go show you the next trick. Take a look at them. On a kitchen towel, I'm just gonna put the chestnuts in. And the next thing I'm going to do is just cover them up and let them sit for 5-6 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes have passed. These are ready to, I'm pretty sure. Take a look. Here they are. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna place them in a kitchen towel and just cover them up. See, what happens is a little bit steam that it releases is gonna make them peel beautifully. Let's taste the caldarroste. Oh wow, they look perfect. Let's open one up. Come closer. I want to show you exactly how easy it is with this method that the skin comes right off. See that? Isn't that just perfect? Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Delicious. I love them over the stove, the caldarroste over the open fire, because it gives it a different smokiness that's just really, the flavor just comes together. Let's check the oven baked ones now. Okay, let's take a look. Wonderful. Come closer. I just want to show you how beautiful. Look at this one. It's just opening apart. Just look at that. Perfect. Perfect roasted chestnuts. Now, another great thing that I remember when I was a little girl, my grandmother would even when we were little, we could not drink water with the chestnuts. Apparently, it would affect our digestion and it wasn't good. So we would all get a little drop of red wine. So this is for the memories, the wine and the chestnuts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Buon Natale, happy holidays. Hit the bell buttons. Recipes coming up almost every day. I hope you like what you see. Be safe, stay healthy. Alla prossima. Ciao, ciao.